how to log in into your Facebook account. Hi everyone, in today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to log in into your Facebook account. So then to log in into your Facebook account, first thing first, make sure that your application is completely up to date. If not, head over to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Facebook. After you're done updating your application, click the open button, and once you open up your Facebook app, this is how interface is going to look like. So basically, to log in into your account, you must already have an account. Only then you'll be able to log in. Now once you open up your Facebook, you'll be able to see two different options, that is create account as well as login. So if you don't have an account, then you'll have to tap on create account, and if you already have an account, then you'll need to go ahead and tap on login, entering your credential. That includes entering your email address, phone number, and then a password. As you're done entering the information, and if the information seems to be valid enough, then you'll be logged into your account successfully. In this way, you can log in into your Facebook account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.